Hello, everybody. I'm Milind Desai. I'm the medical director of the Aortic Center of Excellence at the Cleveland Clinic. And on behalf of my colleagues in the Aortic Center, I would like to welcome you all to this very exciting program that we are putting together. It is called, appropriately titled CLE, Comprehensive Lifelong Expeditious Care of Aortic Disease. This is the place to be. This is the meeting to be for all things related to aorta. We are striving to bring a world-class panel of speakers, researchers, clinicians who are experts in aortic disease. This will be held on September 17th and 18th, 2021. In fact, this is our second such program after a hugely successful first time we conducted a couple of years ago. So I look forward to seeing all of you either virtually or in person in Cleveland at the CLE course, where we will be talking all things aorta. Thank you so much.